You see, guys. Toyota.
Holy moly.
Today something happening with my Tundra. My partner drove this like a daily. This is no plow truck. I don't know exactly what's happening. Maybe battery die or alternator. Let's go check this out. By the way, Tundra never breaks. Never breaks. But we will see. Oh. It's 100% electric shows. But what exactly? I have no idea. It's maybe some very bad connection. It's, how you can see, we have a lots of things because we have a snow plow on the crop in winter time. I hope it's no red or something like this, because red very often try to hit some wiring. Battery is definitely connected. Let's go grab booster.
It's pretty tight.
Pretty tight. I'm not sure it's problems with the battery, honestly. It's a battery.
It's bad. Fucking told ya. It doesn't know shit.
Yeah. Super weird. Okay, right now we will wait for a couple minutes and disconnect how it's called, forget.
Booster.
Booster pack, yeah, and we will see maybe alternator. Probably it's alternator. What do you think?
No, it's a battery.
Battery?
I told you.
Battery 11 months old.
It doesn't matter.
No,
It's been heavy duty used.
True, but I maintenance a couple months ago, charging. And
You didn't charge it.
I charged it.
You asked Chris, do we have to charge it? He was like, yeah, and you were like, oh well, it's 7 months.
No man, no. Okay, we will see. 13.7, 13.6 volts, 13.5.
9 is the minimum.
Man. 9?
9.
You know what's weird? For some reason, the gauge showed me 13, 14 volts alternator give it back, you know?
I don't know. What does it mean?
It means the gauge show like alternator charging, alternator working.
Okay. So it's not alternator.
No, it's... What else can be, man? Brand new truck, 2009, man. 2008.
7.
Look, I'm here. The gauge, oh yeah, you see it's shaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. And I give a power, let's say all heat. Look, you see?
It's moving.
Yeah, it's moving. It's mean done. Alternator dead.
How much?
How much?
How much?
Well, approximately I think alternator maybe 500 bucks.
Okay.
Yeah, well, but we use this truck like heavy duty. You remember, like this truck works like last winter time 27 hours straight. You remember? We
Without stopping.
Without turn off engine. And it's 190,000 kilometers. Yeah, it's an alternator. What we will do? Tow truck. Drive like this. Yeah, and you just slowly, you can drive like in your places, there's a couple blocks, right?
Yeah, but we can take the booster out.
No, why?
Because we're gonna be driving. We're not gonna shut it off. We're gonna shut it off just by my place.
I know, but battery, the alternator not give you enough power to charge the battery.
Okay, well.
And booster pack will help you to couple blocks drive, because right now
it's a speed bumps.
You're using, yeah, but it's okay, just slowly, man. right now you're using battery and in same time booster part.
Okay.
Alternator sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. I
Okay,
don't
so
know.
you're saying it's gonna shut off? It could shut off?
It's good, like wow.
Yeah.
But we have a GX, so we can, you know,
Yeah, well,
tow it for some reason.
okay.
Yeah.
You wanna
keep
follow
going.
me?
Don't forget to subscribe and text in the comment what do you think what's wrong with the car. Battery check, and you can see battery is good. Probably just needs a replace alternator. You see? And we all always guys using only original parts for Toyota because this is maybe working really hard. Sometimes like 27 hours without any stop, you know, just straight 27 hours. Hey guys, brand new alternator just arrived. Toyota, it's reman, but whatever, still brand new guys. And we are going to install alternator right here, and probably tomorrow we are gonna to replace them. It's not that easy, but in same time it's not really hard job guys. Maybe, I don't know, 3-4 hours. And also check, yeah, it's getting rust of course because it's a snow plow truck, but it's working amazing guys. Never ever had a problems. We put some like, I don't know, rust off on the frame, doesn't help, but it's okay. Hey guys, unfortunately I can remove the sway bar. First of all, it's a super extremely rusty and has a risky, the bolts can snap, right? And also I have a snowplow on the front. You see bracket, need to remove it bracket. And alternator, you see it's not enough space right here to remove it. What I would try right now is remove the fan and see how it goes from the top. Try to remove it alternator from the top. Also guys, I don't know if everybody knows, but Toyota clamps, whatever, have a locker and you can easily remove it and remove the hose. By the way, tips, when you would like to install fan back, please put some gel here or lubrication, otherwise it seized. Hey guys, alternator already here. Okay, I don't want to say it's an easy way because usually people remove stabilization link and remove it, but my stabilization link probably seized. Also some people do it from the side, from here, but honestly for me it's super easy to take these 4 bolts, remove a fan, and that's it. Look how much spot do you have. It's like 2 minutes. That's it pretty much. Just be careful when you install it, don't touch a radiator. It's very easy to bend a radiator and it will start leaking after. Don't forget to put some lubrication on bolts, otherwise they seize. I'm using this lubrication for, it's with moly, and you just slightly put around where the propeller must go, and that's it. It will be never seized again. To put back these clips, very easy, just put like this, and oh, that's it. And also guys, chips. Everybody knows you must put a clamp in the same positions was before, otherwise it will be leaking from here. Okay guys, everything working fine. We replace alternator, check the battery, everything okay. Stay with us, don't forget to subscribe.